Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to do a hero or a villain trend on Instagram or in a TikTok. So for this, we need this application. Here you can see. I will also add the link of this application in video description. So open this application. So to make this trend, we need 6 photo. Okay, so I will show you the example with 1 photo how to edit. So in same way you have to do it with 6 photo. So this is how this application looks. So we need to go to this AI effect section and select the second cartoon. Here you can see, and we need to click on use preset. Okay, so from here we need to pick a photo which you want to convert into a cartoon. So here you can see it is importing. So in same way you have to do it for total 6 photo, one by one, manually. My internet is slow, so it is taking sometimes. So here you can see how this photo is edited to a cartoon in cartoon effect. Okay, so now you need to click on this save icon. Okay, now click on save photo. Now this photo is saved to a phone gallery. Okay, so in same way you have to repeat it for total 6 photo. Okay, so in same way you need to click on use preset and edit 6 photo. So once it is done, you need one application that is InShot. Okay, so here the editing is done. So now we will click on this video and we will click on new, and we will select all those 6 photo that we have edited. For example, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, okay, sixth. So I have selected the 6 photo. So you can select it, and if you want you can write it in a first photo as would I. For example, click on text and you can write it would I be the hero or the. So you can write it as you like. You can change and customize the color, fonts, and the background, or if you want to remove the background you can also remove the background. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, but the main thing here is you need to add a duration to each photo. Okay, for example, for first photo we need to keep it 5.4 second. Here you can see by default it will take it as a 5 seconds. So I will extend this first photo as 5.4. Here you can see 5.3, 5.4. The second one as 1.5. We need to drag and make it as 1.5. So in this way we need to keep the duration in each and every photo. So here you can see on my screen how much duration you need to keep it in each photo. So once it is done, you just need to click on this cross to remove the watermark and free watermark. In this way you can remove the watermark and save this video. So here you can see the video is getting saved. So once it is saved, you need to open the Instagram application. Okay, and search for my this account, and here go to my recent reel, and here you can see I have posted this video recently. Just open it and click on this audio and click on use audio and select this the video that you have edited and you have saved in your phone gallery. Select this video. So now click on add, click on next, So here your post is ready. You can add a caption and you can post it as an Instagram reel.